Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss that how you can use Meta AI in WhatsApp. So let's begin. Once you open your WhatsApp application, in the previous times, you will see here a plus sign, which will give you access to your chats. But here, now you can see there is a blue circle. So once you tap on that blue circle, it will open a chat with Meta AI, as you can see here. And here you can chat with Meta, just a normal conversation, or you can ask Meta anything, or you can ask Meta to create you some very cool images. So just for example here, I ask Meta that create an image of a dog in snow. So here is the image. As you can see, it is generated by Meta AI in WhatsApp. If I zoom it, you will see a watermark here. That means that it was created by AI. So then I ask, cool, make him lonely. Maybe it was wrong thing, but you can see that even it create a dog in a snow feeling lonely. So you can create really cool images here in Meta AI, or you can ask anything. Let's suppose I ask Meta that which country won the most football World Cups? And then you need to just tap on send, and as you can see, it will comes up with a response. And here they say that Brazil has won the most FIFA World Cup titles. So guys, this is how you can ask a question from Meta AI. You can even use Meta AI in another chat. Like if I want to use Meta AI in this chat, and here all you need to do is to use this sign, and after that you need to type in Meta AI, and then you need to just say imagine kids playing cricket on a snowy street. And I just tap send. So here you go. The Meta AI created an image of children to playing cricket on a snowy street. But here, as you can see, only messages that mention Meta AI are sent to Meta. Meta can't read any other messages in this chat. So to be sure that Meta will not read anything else, only the one that you mention them, they can read and have access to that chat, that particular chat. So guys, this is all it takes to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.